Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more traditional Sichuan recipes. Today we're going to make a classic Sichuan noodle dish, Dan Dan Noodles. It is one of the most traditional Sichuan dishes and it has been enjoyed by so many. This recipe is a traditional one and it requires a traditional pickled vegetable called yacai. It looks like this and you can find it in most Chinese grocery stores and also online. I'll include a link in the description so you can also purchase it online. Now let's get started. Let's start with the ingredients. For this dish, we will need ground pork, yacai, aka Sichuan pickled veggies, 1 star anise, cooking wine, and cooking oil for the pork toppings. The rest of the ingredients include green onion, some green leafy veggies such as bok choy, roasted peanuts, sesame paste, ground Sichuan peppercorn, sesame oil, soy sauce, and vinegar. And of course, you guessed it, noodles. Lastly, we need some good homemade chili oil to make traditional Dan Dan noodles. If you haven't seen my recipe for the best chili oil around, definitely click the link and check it out so you can make some for your own Dan Dan noodles. First, let's crush some freshly roasted peanuts. The peanuts don't need to be crushed too fine. You can leave some bigger pieces for crunchy texture. Then thinly slice some green onions. They will be used for topping the noodles as well. It's time to fry the pork topping. We call this 臊子 in Chinese, and it's one of my favorite parts of the dish. Add oil to the pan. Add star anise, then ground pork. Quickly stir. Then add yacai, mix well and stir fry. Add cooking wine to balance the flavor. Keep frying until most of the moisture is evaporated from the pork. When everything is well cooked, turn off the fire and put the pork topping in a bowl. While the water heats up for the noodles, let's prepare the soup base. Add soy sauce, vinegar, ground peppercorn, sesame oil, sesame paste, 2 tablespoons of chili oil, and salt. Stir the soup base well. Now the water is boiling, let's cook the noodles. Most Chinese dry noodles would work for this dish. Follow the instructions on the package for the appropriate cooking time so the taste and texture comes out just right. Add a large spoonful of boiling noodle water to the soup base. When the noodles are almost ready, add in some veggies. When ready, take out the veggies and noodles into the bowl. Top the noodles generously with the pork we fried earlier. Then green onions and crushed peanuts. Now the classic bowl of Sichuan Dan Dan noodles is finished. Before eating Dan Dan noodles, we need to mix the noodles with the pork toppings and soup base well, so the beautiful flavor and texture can be cherished in one bite. It is so tasty. The chili oil is so spicy and the meat is perfect with the pickled vegetables mixed with the noodles. Alright guys, I'm going to finish up my noodles because it's so delicious. Let me know in the comment if you tried this dish and if you liked it, and I'll see you next time.